Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing the drawing today for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away two things. First thing is the sterling silver necklace with the pink crystal, and the second thing is the Tiffany keychain. So first is the necklace, then is the keychain. We are going to copy this URL and go over to the YouTube comment picker, paste this in here. Go down, filter by comments or words, yes, and we're going to put in the word summer because that was the keyword that was meant to be entered. One winner because I'm going to do them one after the other. 9 plus 9 is 18, and then get YouTube comments, which, let's see, 59. So then we're going to go over here, and we are going to hit start, and then it's going to pick a winner. So this winner is going to be for the sterling silver and crystal necklace. Here we go. Thanks again, everyone, for entering. Mari Cruz, woohoo! Yay! That is wonderful, Mari Cruz. I don't have your email, but if you email me at mysteffstyle@gmail.com, I will get that necklace mailed out to you. Yay! And now we are going to draw for we're just going to do the same thing again. We're going to go like this, get YouTube comments. All right, 4 plus 3 is 7. And now get YouTube comments. 59. We're going to go back down. Mari Cruz was the winner of the necklace. Now we're going to draw for the Tiffany keychain. So the Tiffany keychain is about $150 value. So yay for that. 1,000 is a lot of subscribers. That's why I wanted to go kind of big. All right, here we go. Congrats to the winner. Thanks again to everyone for entering. Here we go. Rebecca, woohoo! All right, we've got Mari Cruz for the necklace and Rebecca for the Tiffany keychain. Thank you so much to all of you who entered. Have a great day. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie. I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. eBay is the only platform I sell on. I love eBay. I've been using it for many years, and they've never done me wrong. I love eBay. I know others have different experiences, but my sales are booming right now, and so I'm so happy to be with eBay. Okay, today is unboxing day and sale day, so I was trying to decide whether I do a fun box or a fabric and textile, but I decided on a fun box. I do love fun boxes. I used to not like them as much, but they've kind of stepped up their game, and sometimes you get some real bangers in these boxes. Like, they're really, really good. Anyway, meanwhile, I am wearing this Ghani wool tank top. I know it sounds crazy, a wool tank top, but it's so comfortable and I love it. I got it from the Real. I think I got it with one of my credits. And it's just wool, and it's actually not as hot as you would think. I guess wool is a good body temperature regulator. So, okay. Are you ready for this fun box? Okay, let's do it. It's still the old box with the Tiffany blues. The new blue, the new box, and the new logo on the box are a little bit greenish, I've noticed. So this is it's only a couple weeks. I got it a couple weeks ago, so it's not that old, but you must be doing a transition of boxes. All right, can I get this thing to work? Yes, I can. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open this bad boy up, and everything in this video today will be for sale. Shipping is $8 for as many items as you care. Hold on just a second. I fixed the light, it's all good. So $8 for as many items. If you get one item and it's lightweight, it'll be $6, by the way. But outside of that, it'll be $8. So, okay. They did not put a lot of tape on this. What is new? But they put 3 pieces, okay? All right, we are going to do Rescue Box, Fun Box, 10 items. Price is $34. With tax and shipping, for me, it comes to about $50. So that equals out to about $10 per item. But the truth is, they usually give you more than 10. Usually you get 3 or 4 headbands. You know, you got the headbands, and so there we go. All right, so let's show you the first look. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can lift this thing. There we go. Here's a first look. I'm seeing a lot of pinks. I think we got a pink theme, which is totally fitting for me, isn't it though, really? All right, let's see what we've got. I'm kind of excited about this one. I haven't gotten like a a real banger of an item in one of these fun boxes for a while, but I have gotten, I can't remember what the brand was. I got a bracelet one time that was worth $300. I've gotten some really good things in here. So anyway, let's open this up and see what we got. First thing is the token slippers, which are a size large or 9 or 10. The brand is Auden, A-U-D-E-N. And they're like a dusty mauve pink, and they're brand new. And they're super soft. Size 9 or 10. And I will have the prices up on the screen for these items. So, by the way, in case you didn't know and you're new here, I do invoice via PayPal. I've invoiced hundreds and hundreds of items, so it's not new for me. I'm not, and I do PayPal goods and services. That way, if there's any problem at all, you can, it's good for the buyer to do PayPal goods and services. All right, pair of slippers. All right. Next up is a belt. No. It is a bag strap, I believe. This bag strap, really cute, pink and blue and beige. It's kind of a guitar strap style. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. Let's see. Or is there more? No, there's 2. I don't see any branding, but here's a leopard skin one. And the leopard skin one material is kind of like seatbelt material. It's that smooth, and it looks brand new. So if you like leopard print, this is the one for you. And it clips on both sides. It's gold tone. So that's the leopard print one. And then we've got kind of an Aztec kind of pattern, Westernish kind of pattern. And this is more, it's also kind of seatbelty material, but then it's got this embroidery kind of thing on it. So anyway, they both look new, and they're both really, really cute. If you want the dimensions or anything, just go ahead and ask me. So, all right. Next up. Oh my gosh. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this belt. Oh, what? Look at this belt. Look at that. It's sparkly black, and then it's got this kind of Western. Oh my gosh. Look at, I don't have, I'll put the dimensions up here, by the way. But I mean, look at this belt. And it looks like it's a nice big size, which I love. Oh my gosh. I didn't even show you up close. There are sparkly stars. That is a Western item, so I'm probably going to put it in because this Friday I'm doing a Western theme. I can't wait. This is really cute. Super cute. So I'm probably going to hold this until Friday and put it in my, unless you want it, and then it's going to be all yours. So, all right. There we go. That is a really cute, I don't see any name on it. That's really kind of surprising. I also don't know if it's genuine leather, but it really does look like it, but I don't know. Okay, but that's really a cute belt. As far as belts go, pretty cute. Okie dokie. Oh God, okay. Next up is, all right, this is really cute pink set. I like it. We have got, let's see, paparazzi pink bejeweled pink princess hair clips. The hair clips. They've got probably just some acrylic or glass. I don't know which one. Probably acrylic. Paparazzi brand new in the packet. So those are some hair clips. Here is, all right, we'll call that barrettes. Those are the barrettes. This is a pink hair clip like that. You can see. Just go. Okay, that was a terrible example. Sorry. All right. This is cute, really cute. I don't wear headbands, but oh, that's so cute. Oh my heavens. That is really cute. It's like a, sorry, there won't be any hair in it when you get it. It's a pearl looking. Oh my heavens. It's really cute. I don't know how it stays in anyone's hair, but because it looks slippery. Okay, here is a scrunchie. An airy, new with tags, airy scrunchie. It's kind of a pink sparkle. So there's a scrunchie, and then you've got this really cute, looks unbranded, pink headband. That's what it looks like. All right, pink headband. Let's see. It's got like scrunchie on top. Super cute satin. I don't know, when I edit my video, I'll say how I'm gonna price those. I'm not sure. I might price this whole bag together. I probably will. All right. So that is Now, I know you've been missing Mosiso. If you have, you are in great, great luck right now. Actually, this is a really nice one. You know why? I think it's for bicycle. Mosiso, it's long and skinny, and then it's got kind of an iridescent, this part of it's got like an iridescent color. It's really kind of neat. I think this is a bag for bikes. It's new. It's got this strap in there. I'm gonna have to look it up, but that's really a nice thing. Accessories for bikes usually they go for a good amount of money, so we'll see what this sells for. So a Mosiso, I assume it's a bike bag, but I'll do my research and find out. Okay. Next up is this. Okay, this phone case. There we go. It looks like real leather. I don't see any branding on it, and I don't know what kind of phone it fits either. It looks like an iPhone maybe. Let me just look and see. It might be for my size iPhone. I'm gonna try my phone and see, and then I'll let you know if it fits for that. But the nice thing is, look at how in the inside you've got your driver's license slot, you've got some card slots, and then you just go like that, and then it's just your phone, and it's inside the phone. That is really cool. If it fits my phone, I'll probably keep it, because look how cute it is. It's so, so cute, and you can just have your stuff in your phone. Okay, not a lot of items left. Okay, this has not been the best box so far. However, it's all good. Savage X, which is Fenty by Rihanna. What size? Size 1X. These are super cute. These are so cute. I mean, they're brand new, obviously. They're not gonna sell them to you if there's the logo. And then here is the tag and the size. These are really cute. So yeah, that's a good one. A couple more. Oh, what's that? Okay, this is Ray Dunn pajama top. No, pajamas or a t-shirt or whatever. Sleep shirt, I guess is what it is. Dream Big, size medium. Pink and gray stripes. I love the pink theme. I'm loving this pink theme. How cute. Pink and gray stripes. And the tag is still on there. Let's see. US size medium. MSRP $48. So, Ray Dunn pajamas. By the way, they're super soft. I can see sleeping in this thing. Okay. All right, now we've got, this is very strange to be getting a necklace in a fun box. I don't know what the reason is. We're gonna find out. Let's see. Let's see. What is this? It is like a, it's a bracelet, isn't it? Yes? No, it's not. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the bottom of it. I don't know how to, I'm not sure if it's a necklace or a bracelet, but there it is. It's like an angel with wings, kind of, or it's just the wings. And then it is a necklace, but it was just kind of a little tangled, but I think we've got it now. So it's a necklace. It's really cute. And I don't know, it looks like it's about 16 inches. I'm gonna try and put it on the other clasp and see if it looks a little bit more normal. I just don't know how they decide at ThredUp. Do we put this necklace in a fun box, in a DIY box, or in a 15-piece ThredUp box? I don't know I'll tell you before I post it, but I'm gonna give you one more look at what it looks like. It's very, very pretty with the wings and the little glass charm there. So I don't know. I'll have to give you the dimensions of that. Okay. The last but not least is some hats. Got some hats. Like baseball caps, I think. I don't know. One of them's a baseball cap. This one is. This is Arizona, established 1912. Hat graphics. This is the Arizona hat. Not much to say about it. It looks new. I don't know if there's any sizing. It doesn't say any sizing on here. Hat graphics, G54. I don't know. That's that. And then there's one. Oh, there's two other hats. Okay. This is a really, really cute golf visor. I don't golf. You know why? I'm not very good at it, for one thing. But I had enough golfing when my married to my ex-husband, all he did is golf all the time. So golf doesn't really leave a lot of fun in my mind. It doesn't seem fun at all. Anyway, there is the golf visor. It's really cute, by the way. And then there's one hat too. There's one other hat. And this one is really cute. And it is, yeah, the brand is Girly. The brand is Girly. That is super cute. Isn't that cute and fun? It doesn't look very good on me. Okay, what do you have to do? Like, what do you can like, is it like this? And then it fits a little bit better, but then it looks kind of ridiculous. So, you know, let's just say maybe not the hat for me. It makes me look a little Mad Hatter-ish, but look at that hat. It is so, so cute. The colors are adorable. I love that hat. Brand new. Looks like, here's the tag, Girly. And there's a tag for $10 on it. So it says Girly, and then it says $10 on that side. So, and it's a bucket hat. All right, not the best one, but will I make my money back? I definitely think I will. Some of the stuff is just kind of an enigma. I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, I super appreciate you subscribing. A lot of people have lately, and I hope you know how much I appreciate that. That is just wonderful. It really helps my channel, and it helps me, especially now that I've gone full-time doing reselling. So, all right, if you want to buy anything, an email goes to mystephstyle@gmail.com, and I do invoice with PayPal. Thank you so much, and have a great day.